Well, good morning, y'all. I'm Vicki, and welcome to my kitchen. Okay, it is blueberry season in Georgia, and I don't know if you know anything about Georgia blueberries, but we're the largest grower of blueberries in the U.S. So I have blueberries and more blueberries. So I'm going to be making some things this week that have a lot to do with blueberries. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do the blueberry compote that is for the tart. So be sure and watch my videos and see that coming up. Of course, everything I cook is keto low carb, except today. Actually, it doesn't have to be because it's made for Zoe. I'm making doggy ice cream. Yes, and I'm using blueberries because, believe it or not, watch this. Zoe, you want a blueberry? Zoe. Want a blueberry? You want a blueberry? Sit. Good girl. Zoe loves blueberries. Okay, so I make her doggy ice cream. Very natural, and she thinks she's getting an amazing treat when she gets this. And y'all, it's so easy to make, and it makes lots of them. So I'm gonna go along and show you. I use plain yogurt, no sugar. And I use full fat yogurt. And this is Greek yogurt, so it's got plenty of protein in it. And I am using peanut butter. And you use natural peanut butter, peanut butter with no sugar. I like to make my own because I know what's in it. And I use a lightly salted or no salted peanuts. It's okay if it has a little bit of salt in it, not a whole lot. And this is 2 cups of peanut butter. Okay, 2 cups of Greek yogurt, 2 cups of peanut butter. And this is supposed to be 1/8 of a cup of olive oil, but my 1/8 of a cup is in the dishwasher. And the reason I'm putting olive oil in the doggy peanut butter is it makes Zoe's coat nice and pretty. So, and I'm just going to stir that up, get it nice and blended. See how the peanut butter is good protein for Zoe. Okay, we about got it blended. And you know, Zoe's peanut butter could actually be eaten by humans. Nothing in it that can harm you. There's nothing in it that can harm her. And then I'm using kind of a rounded thing of blueberries. And I'm just putting the blueberries in. This is such a treat for Zoe, and it's a good treat. And I do have one of my little packets of Super Veggie for Enrichables, and I put a scoop of Enrichables Super Veggie in her peanut butter. It has things like squash and sweet potatoes and things like that, which really makes this nutritious for her. Now, sometimes, if I don't have fresh blueberries, I'll grate carrots in it. Because Zoe likes carrots too. And that gives it that little bit of sweet taste for her. So she thinks she's getting a treat. Okay, I have these little cups and lids. And actually, when I get the peanut butter in them, I put a Z on the top and put them in the refrigerator or in the freezer, so she knows it, so I know it's for Zoe. I use the new extra large scoop, works perfect for this size. And like I said, and then I'll freeze it. And that's how easy it is. When Zoe needs a treat, instead of having to run to town and get one treat at a time, I have them right there in the freezer ready for her. And it makes quite a few. So, as you see, I haven't even made a dent in it. But come back and get some new treats tricks on blueberries. Like I said, I'm going to make blueberry compote for the tarts, and I'm going to, maybe I'll make some sugar-free blueberry jelly. Not sure yet, but over the next week I'm going to be making lots of blueberry videos, so come back to see me soon. Let me know where you're watching me from, and as always, everything you see me using is Pampered Chef. So, and there's always a link to order anything in the description. And please ask me questions, especially about the doggy ice cream. I mean, that's something kind of cool and different. A lot of people don't even realize doggies love ice cream, but especially in the summer here in the South, it's such a cool treat. Just put it on a plate and put it down there for them, and it's amazing. Okay, again, my doggy ice cream is made with Greek yogurt, a little bit of olive oil, peanut butter, sugar-free. I make my own. You don't have to. Just be sure you don't get the peanut butter with sugar in it. And blueberries. And a little bit of Super Veggie Enrichables. So this is a healthy treat for any dog. You can go from this size to a size that's bigger, and then I've got a friend who has a little teeny tiny dog, and I did the little teeny tiny cups. So these are my doggy treats, and let me know if you make them. Come back to see me soon, and as always, give someone your beautiful smile today. You know, it always lightens your day. No matter what kind of day you're having, smiling activates endorphins and makes you feel good. And you know, you just could make a difference in somebody else's day by simply smiling at them and giving them a warm welcome. See you later. Bye.